is a great example of a tabletop display. You can use this in a dining room, in an art niche, or anywhere in your home to add a great splash of color. One trick is to always use one solid color. It gives you a lot of flexibility in your home, and you can choose one accent color that you'd really like to spice up in your house. So this arrangement is 360 degrees, and what we mean by that is no matter which way we turn it, we can still use the arrangement. Sometimes you can make a flower arrangement where it's only facing out one direction. In this case, we have a lot of flexibility because we can use it anywhere in your home, no matter which direction you're looking at it. So we have great accent flowers that are very large and substantive. That's a great way to really add some volume to your arrangements without having to purchase a lot of flowers. We've also added some great texture with feathers. That's a fun way to mix it up just a little bit and add a great sense of variety to your arrangements. This greenery is always a classic piece to any arrangement, and you also want to make sure that you give some height. If you're using this on a dining room table, keep in mind that you might block people's viewpoint. So keep height in mind when you're using an arrangement for your dining room table.